Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. I'm talking about generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you're trying to find where the fuse for the power steering control module is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video. Today you have electric power steering, so we have a special fuse that can actually is responsible for the power steering control module. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, if your power steering doesn't work, we have a special video that will explain top reasons why power steering doesn't work and where the power steering is located, all that stuff. Check it out. You have 3 fuse boxes on Ford C-Max. Now, one thing, guys, if you want to see where those fuse boxes are located, we have a special video about Ford C-Max. Where are the fuse boxes? We need to find the one under the hood. Right here, you have one notch that you need to pull to the, okay, you can see to up, like pull it up and wiggle it. It eventually comes out, put it sideways, okay, like that, and you can see the layout here. What we have specifically now, that layout corresponds to actually, guys, okay, the layout, okay, of the fuse box, so we can see which fuse we need to check. So the power steering fuse, guys, power steering control module fuse, okay, it's actually fuse number 26. So if you look, okay, it's that fuse right here. There's a fuse and you can see the number above it. So check this fuse. Now, if you still have problems with the power steering, we'll have more videos, so please check it out. It will be on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.